Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna do another day in the life vlog. Woke up at 7:30, headed over here to the shop. James had to come over here because he is meeting someone to work with an electrician, I think it's an electrician, because we got a new espresso machine. It's actually in the hallway. We need to get it onto our counters ASAP, but there's a lot of things that we need to do before because it's huge. It's literally just here in the hallway. This is the box. Say hi. Hi. Mom, don't I always help you every day? No. Oh dang, they just gave you the whole pack, didn't they? Hey, my coconut water.
What's that for?
I want to try a drink that's been like, everyone's been drinking coconut water with matcha or coffee. I want to taste it. And then Cammie was like texting me last night. She's like, have you tried this? And it was that. And I was like, I'll get some so we could try it.
What's up, YouTube? Oh, the banana milk with the chai.
Banana and chai?
It was good.
We're done here with the curbside stuff. Do this.
Bethany Moda.
Yeah, and when she had her Aeropostale line, I wanted it so bad.
I remember I had one shirt and I wore it for the longest time.
I'm kind of famous.
What do you post? No, you got a YouTube channel?
I told you guys like months ago.
Hey,
you know what she's doing?
tapping. What did you put?
I'm like local celebrity, but like 25,000 views.
Oh, wow.
Do you actually have a YouTube channel?
Yes.
What is it called?
I want to. All right, it's called MAX.
MAX
O.
Did you say Max?
No! I thought you wanted to do this.
Can you stop?
Because I watch those videos.
What, the slow?
The beats.
Look, play it on the TV. Play it on the TV. I have a super good beat.
Play it on the
I'm so
TV.
proud of it. Myra, give me the remote. 24,000 views? Damn, bro. That's you, bro. That's me.
Aw, she's so small.
We're gonna try it. I've been seeing it all over TikTok. Coconut water. Honestly, it's like an Americano. But honestly, I'm not a fan of Americanos. Some people do a splash of milk. It actually is sweet, but it's not too sweet. And I feel like I might need to add sweetener. What should I do? Should I add sweetener? You know what? Let's just try it just like that. Yeah, where do you like chai from? Thank you.
I think the chai that I like most is the one from Seven Brew.
Seven Brew. I've never been there, actually. That's the thing about chai, is that chai is like so different everywhere. But like, what makes a good chai? Spiciness, sweetness. Some milk. I like whole milk, so that's what I'm going with. Absolutely not.
Coffee. I think we're trying with matcha.
I want to do matcha later. Because you'll do it in both. I'm going to add vanilla syrup.
Do you want to come out and vlog or what?
I think I did.
Did I make it any better?
Yeah, I'm not a fan. That's great. Maybe it's better in matcha. Yeah, I'll stick with my salted honey lattes. I mean, it's not bad if you like Americanos. I'm just not an Americano person. Okay, great.
Is that bad?
Oh God, that's awful. I'm sorry, July. Is that your own like creation?
No, it's on TikTok. It's like viral right now.
One of you should try it so that I'm not the crazy one. It tastes like oil.
Oh.
It does taste like oil.
Sophie, please try it. Sophie, please.
It's because I had to make it sweet.
It's not sweet at all.
It's not, right? That's because I added syrup. I'm gonna make my salted honey latte since that was a flop. Cinnamon. Espresso. Oh, this is my jam. You always need to mix it. If not, the honey will get stuck, and when you put the milk, the cold milk will make it harden and then it just will never mix. It'll just stay on the bottom of the cup. So that's why here at Cure, we always make sure we mix our honey with the espresso before pouring milk.
Apparently they're down the road.
The espresso machine got to the house, so we gotta go.
Like, you want me to like sip it like for the video, for the picture?
Hold on. We're gonna have to, right?
Well, where?
We're gonna have to make the hole right now. Like right now is the perfect moment to make the hole.
Well, where
Is this
what do
in
you
the hole?
Boss, you have a wedding on the 30th. Yeah, you have a wedding on the 30th. We can't miss anything.
Wait, guys. What are you guys doing? Take all that stuff. Extra stuff on top. It's tighter.
For real? You see, boss, you see, what if we had you helping us carry? Well, then we wouldn't have any idea to the problem.
How's it look, babe?
Oh, boss,
I'm good.
no?
No?
How does it look, boss?
You don't like it?
No, boss.
Why is she like not?
Yeah, why should I say anything?
What the heck's wrong with her?
It's just keep quiet.
Doesn't it look good?
Miss Boss?
Babe, hurry
No,
up.
Miss Boss.
You don't like the color or what? I bet she's getting so mad.
No, me too. No, we gotta No, we gotta return it now.
Actually, kind of does look ugly.
That was disgusting.
No.
I hate it. Ooh. Now, guys, we should start closing at 3 a.m.
And then we're gonna put more lights in this.
I look rough. I look bad. I have a lot to do.
You guys gonna fit?
We'll see right now.
Yeah, I will.
Move your seat up
If
a
you
little.
want, I can.
You can push it more.
Push it more. Good?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It'll
Perfect.
Yeah.
I don't know how much pressure is it gonna be if we put it like on there. We're gonna have to do it.
Perfect.
Thank you.
You too.
Hiding. That stressed me out.
Didn't close.
It didn't close?
I think this will.
Okay.
Let me go again. Sorry.
Please close. Yes.
Yay!
It closed.
Jenga.
It says just the yolk. Okay, you're literally not even getting just the yolk. Like, I don't know what you're doing.
Dude, what?
No, we need just the yolk.
No, just the yolk, not the egg.
So I messed it up.
Yes,
Yeah,
just put the whole egg in there. That's fine.
Some people eat raw eggs
I love
for
raw
breakfast.
eggs. Like,
Like,
do
fold
in
it, right? Okay,
So
yeah, yeah.
wait, let me put a little bit.
That was kind of a lot.
I pour all of it.
Just
Yeah, just like fold.
just
like
2
that.
shots of vodka.
Yeah, literally.
Wait, dude.
Hey, it sounds creamy.
That's good.
Watching it. And you've never seen